Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Tacoma headlights is probably one of the most crucial upgrades you can make for your 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Whether you're looking to enhance your truck's appearance, improve nighttime visibility, or simply replace worn-out components, selecting the right headlights is key. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 2017 Toyota Tacoma headlights, exploring the best options available and what to consider before making your purchase. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Headlights Assembly for Tacoma. Introducing the Autosaver 88 Headlights Assembly. This product not only upgrades the look of your vehicle but also enhances its visibility on the road. It's designed to make your car stand out. The built-in sequential turn signals alert other drivers of your intentions. This feature ensures that others are aware when you change lanes or make turns. It's a safety feature that adds a modern touch. These headlights are fully sealed and designed with one-way vents. This prevents moisture from getting trapped inside, so you don't have to worry about corrosion or fogging. It's built to withstand various weather conditions. The metallic parabolic reflectors provide more light output. This creates a broader and smoother beam, improving your driving safety. It ensures you can see and be seen more clearly. The polycarbonate lens and tough housing are highly resistant to shock and vibration. The durable lens is also impervious to fogging, discoloring, and scratches. This ensures a long-lasting and enhanced driving experience. The side microprism reflector makes you quickly noticeable at night. This feature enhances safety by making your vehicle more visible to other drivers and pedestrians. It's an added layer of protection. What we like. This headlight features a sequential turn signal, making your intentions clear to other drivers. It's also waterproof, so you don't have to worry about moisture damage. If you frequently drive in inclement weather or want to enhance your vehicle's visibility, this is a great choice. What people say. Good-looking housings. Great fit. Easy to install. Made a big difference in the look of my truck. This was easy to install, the hardest part was taking the front grille off to get to the headlights, but very doable. They fit perfectly, and install easily enough. There are several YouTube videos outlining Tacoma headlight replacement. Number 4. AmeriLite LED Headlight Pair for Toyota Tacoma TRD. Upgrade your Toyota Tacoma with the AmeriLite headlight. This pair is designed to enhance both the look and safety of your vehicle. This headlight is specifically designed for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma TRD models with factory LED DRL headlamps. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. Rest assured, this headlight meets or exceeds all US and Canadian regulations. You can trust its quality and performance. Installation is a breeze with this headlight. It's a direct OEM replacement, meaning no modifications are needed. The package includes both the driver and passenger side headlights. Get everything you need in one convenient set. Please note that this headlight is not compatible with the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro model with full LED headlights. Make sure it fits your model before purchase. What we like. This headlight is designed for a direct OEM replacement, ensuring easy installation without modifications. It meets DOT and SAE standards, guaranteeing quality and safety. If you are looking for a hassle-free upgrade that meets all the necessary regulations, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and easy to install. The new headlights look great and are a big improvement over the stock headlights. The headlights are much brighter than the original headlights. Number 3. VLAND Headlights for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. These VLAND headlights are designed specifically for your 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma 3rd Gen N300. They feature LED running lights, high beams, low beams, and turn signals. It's a perfect fit for various Tacoma trims. The package includes a set of left and right headlights, an ACC harness, a manual, and adapter harnesses. Everything you need for installation is provided. If you are not sure, please contact us. Installation is simple with a direct replacement design. No splicing is required, and the manual provides clear instructions. Professional installation is recommended to ensure everything works correctly. Experience safer night driving with brighter lights. These headlights give your car a unique look. It is a game changer for the style of your car. These headlights come with a 1-year warranty and are DOT and SAE certified. They are made with high-quality materials and are fully sealed, waterproof, and corrosion-resistant. They work perfectly in all weather conditions. What we like. This headlight offers a plug-and-play installation, making it simple to upgrade your vehicle's lighting. It includes LED running lights, enhancing both style and visibility. If you want a stylish and easy-to-install upgrade with a reliable warranty, consider this one. What people say. Ease to install once the old ones are removed, much better brightness and visibility than stock, good deal compared to buying higher-end or OEM headlights. Looks good and connected perfectly with the old wires from stock headlights, small gaps in the corner of the headlights to the side panel but not extremely noticeable. These lights seem to be really nice. They took some time to install due to removing the grille and the fenders, but once they were in place they look very sharp, better than spending $1,200 plus for the Alpha Rex headlights. Just make sure to a 10mm, flathead screwdriver, pliers and the plastic tools to remove the clips, makes life easier. Number 2. AKKON LED headlights for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma. Introducing the AKKON LED headlights, designed specifically for Toyota Tacoma models from 2016 to 2023. This upgrade will completely transform the look of your truck. These headlights feature full LED functionality, providing superior brightness and visibility. They also come equipped with a unique sequential signal feature, adding a modern touch. The projector design offers a better light pattern compared to traditional headlights. This ensures improved safety and a stylish appearance for your vehicle. The AKKON LED headlights meet DOT and SAE standards, guaranteeing quality and safety. Please note that some wiring modifications may be needed for the halo and LED connections. While these headlights are designed for a perfect fit, professional installation is highly recommended. This will ensure optimal performance and a seamless integration with your Tacoma. These headlights. What we like. This headlight boasts a full LED design, providing superior illumination and a modern look. It also features a unique welcome light design and sequential turn signals. If you like a headlight that offers a cutting-edge design and enhanced visibility, it's a great choice. What people say. They completely change the look of the truck. Where the light shines has to be adjusted, but there is 2 screws to adjust high beams and low beams. Overall great headlights. Number 1. TUSDAR headlights for 2016 to 2022 Toyota Tacoma. These headlights are designed specifically for 2016 to 2022 Toyota Tacoma models with LED DRL. They are a direct replacement for your original headlights, ensuring a perfect fit. The special surface coating makes the lens scratch-proof and compliant with DOT and SAE regulations. This product is fully sealed, waterproof, dust-resistant, and corrosion-resistant. This headlight assembly increases brightness, allowing you to see the road clearly in any condition. Improved visibility helps you avoid accidents and makes driving safer. This product is a plug-and-play operation, a direct original equipment replacement for the stock unit. Bulbs are not included. This product ships directly from the USA within 1 working day. It comes in pairs, and includes a 30-day return policy and a 1-year replacement promise. We want you to love it. What we like. This headlight features a scratch-proof lens and a plug-and-play design for easy installation. It is also waterproof and dust-resistant, ensuring durability. If you want a reliable and easy-to-install headlight assembly that can withstand various conditions, you should consider it. What people say. Great fit. The beam pattern is a little lower than factory. The LED DRL that is built in with this headlight has 3 wires. One is ground, red, main, LED, and the white, amber LED. I connected the red to the hot of the parking light, white to the hot of the side marker. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.